bigger, better, the best. Can you compare things in English? Today we learn comparatives and superlatives. Let's go. Welcome back to Learn Languages. I'm your English teacher. We compare things every day. This coffee is better than that one. London is bigger than my city. Let's learn the rules. They are simple. Section 1. Comparative adjectives. We use comparatives to compare two things. Short adjectives, add ear. Tall, taller. Fast, faster. Cold, colder. Always use than after a comparative. He is taller than me. This book is cheaper than that one. Long adjectives, use more before them. Interesting, more interesting. Expensive, more expensive. This film is more interesting than the last one. Practice, compare two things you can see right now. Use is bigger, smaller, faster than. Section 2. Superlative adjectives. Superlatives are used to talk about the most extreme. The best, the worst, the tallest. Short adjectives add est. Tall, the tallest. Fast, the fastest. Long adjectives use the most. Interesting, the most interesting. Always use the before a superlative. She is the smartest student in the class. This is the most expensive restaurant in the city. Irregular forms. Memorize these. Good, better, the best. Bad, worse, the worst. Far, farther, the farthest. Section 3. Useful comparison phrases. As, to say two things are equal. He is as tall as his brother. Not as, to say something is less. This film is not as good as the first one. Much plus comparative to make it stronger. This car is much faster than mine. A little's comparative, small difference. This coffee is a little hotter than I like. Recap. Comparatives, adder or use more than. Superlatives, add est or use the most. Irregular. Good, better, best. Bad, worse, worst. Equal, as. Stronger, much plus comparative. Your challenge. Compare two cities, foods, or films in the comments. Use a comparative and a superlative. If this lesson helped you, please like the video. Subscribe to Learn Languages for a new lesson every week.